This was such an early morning, guys. We got to the airport around 5:20 and boarded by 6 a.m. And let me tell you, I'm glad you can't see my face because I was so sleepy. The shuttle ride was about 30 or 35 minutes, and we kind of got to see the downtown area of New Orleans as we were heading to our hotel. It was very pretty. Luckily, the rain had stopped, and you could see just like a lot of activity out on the streets, which I love. We arrived at the hotel around 12:30. As you can see from the outside of the building, it's very beautiful. And I actually learned that the Jung is actually a historic hotel in New Orleans. It was created by the Jung Brothers in 1902. So this is first looks, guys. We're in the lobby area. It is beautiful. I cannot wait to take pictures here. Coming close to the room, look at the walls. Look at these fancy keypads. Pretty much can't handle it. Hey guys, welcome to the Jung Hotel. So this is our 2-queen bed suite. It is beautiful. The decorations, the key details. We have a refrigerator that is masked in this, which is super cool, and they gave us complimentary water. Sorry, that's like huge for me because I be thirsty, y'all. So as you can see, we already have like our places of where we're gonna be. So we have a mounted television. I have no idea how many inches this is, but it's way huger than anything that I've ever had, so I'm excited about it. And then we also have a cute little quaint desk. Not like I'm really gonna be doing a lot of work, wink wink. And now let's go to the bathroom, which is slowly becoming my favorite place already. So it's super cute, it's a hutch door. If I can get it to open. We're gonna try this one more time. Okay, you get the point. You just kind of like slide it. Here we go. You slide it open and you slide it close. But guys, check this out. Number one, this lighting is everything. My makeup will be flawless for sure. And then there's also double sinks, double mirrors. It's gorgeous. It has this long hallway to get down to your little secret bathroom area. And then this shower. You gotta come close for this though. This shower is beautiful. Like, hello. Oh my gosh. Photo shoot worthy. If I can be honest, I'm not a big fan of hotels' toiletries, but that goat milk soap is the truth, and I even bought some home because I loved it. Everything was just full of quality. After we officially settled in, we decided to just walk around the hotel and kind of scout out where I would be taking pictures and what the area looked like and what amenities there were that were offered. So we're just about to have our first meal experience for lunch. This is the restaurant right downstairs from our hotel room. Once again, the decorations are amazing. It's absolutely beautiful. And there's my lovely sis. So guys, I was a little worried about these prices and what they might look like at the restaurant just because the area is so nice and the hotel is so nice, but everything was actually super affordable. And then the food itself, I got the jambalaya. Honey, it was the bomb, as you can see by these clear and empty plates. After we ate and got some food on our stomach, we decided to continue our tour of the hotel and the lobby and just everything that they had to offer. And as you can see, everything, all of the details, it's amazing. They have a bar, they have picture-worthy places.
I just went to the bathroom, right? And I see she got a bag of snacks over here. You got a bag of snacks?
No, I don't got no snacks.
She's not trying to share. Yo, she got a...
I apologize for my voice. I was so hoarse almost the entire trip. But we found this place called We That's Chicken and Shrimp, and it was so good. I love wings. Wings and fries are like my go-to thing, and this is kind of what they're all about, is wings and fries. And they also have a lot of other things, but we loved the wings there. And once again, it was something that was right across the street from our hotel, so within walking distance. And to me, I live in New York. That's great. Pretty much one of my favorite things about staying at the Jung Hotel was that there were so many different things to get into so close to the hotel and within walking distance. After a shower, we settled in for the night pretty early because we knew we had a long day for tomorrow. One of the cool amenities that I loved about the Jung Hotel was that they had everything you would need in your room, including that cool coffee maker, which I used to heat up my tea. And after we got the morning started, we walked around taking pictures of the different places in the hotel. My sister Lakeisha was my photographer. As you can see, the bar is amazing, the pool is amazing. I got a chance to take a dip in the pool, the weather was great, and the pool is on the rooftop. So after taking pictures, we decided to walk around New Orleans. We were right downtown, and as you can see, we came across some beautiful murals. There were tons of restaurants and places to eat and bars and shopping and just everything within walking distance of our hotel, which made it super convenient for us because we didn't have to pay for taxis and Ubers. We found this great pizzeria and had a margarita pizza, and it was amazing. It was so good. Then we stumbled across the monkey board.
My plans have fallen through.
The monkey board was a rooftop lounge and bar area that had amazing views of the city, including being able to see the Superdome. Everything was picture worthy, and it just was overall a really great way to relax and end our night. Unfortunately, there was some misfortune, and the award ceremony that my sister and I were anticipating to attend and receive awards did not happen. However, we did get to do a live radio show, which was a lot of fun, and then we got to explore more of New Orleans. I personally am a huge seafood lover, so we decided to hit up Deanie's. I got the shrimp. It was absolutely amazing. It was seasoned so perfectly. And after that, we went back to the hotel, took a few more pictures. We did have an opportunity to meet up with the other girls who were also there for the awards ceremony. And luckily for me, two of the other girls decided that we wanted to hit Bourbon Street. And so that's what we did. Here we are with our fish bowls. That is like a huge staple on Bourbon Street. I can't even imagine what it's like for Mardi Gras or Essence, because this is what it was like on a typical Saturday night. We stayed out until 5 a.m.
We are finally heading to Ruby Slippers. Like 3 people recommended that we go check this place out, so hopefully brunch is good. I'm excited. And I'm
Correction,
hungry.
Ruby Slippers is a 6-minute walk from our hotel. Walking and talking and typing is kind of hard for me to do. Sorry. Staying at the Jung Hotel was an absolute dream. The service was great, the rooms were great, all of the pictures that I was able to get in the hotel were great, and it being so close to everything made the trip so much smoother. And then also being able to have the pool and the bar in the hotel. I'm going to link inside of the blog some other events that are coming up that you might want to stay at the Jung for.